Hello guys, today I want to help you to sound like a native and to teach you some words that we call in Russian parasite words and words that actually make our speech more neutral, but that's not about official good language, of course, not like literature language. These words we use usually just to fill the pauses in our speech, or we use it without any reasons just because we have to say something but we don't know what. And in English you also have these words, and today we learn some of them. Sure, I know as a teacher I control myself during the classes, but when I speak with my friends, for example, I very often use these words. And if you don't speak good Russian, you don't need to use them, of course. But if you have kind of high level, or if you just want to understand what Russians usually say very often, these words, and you don't understand what is it, today I will explain you. So let's start. I will give you some basic words that are most common, are most used in Russian speech. And sometimes different people have their own special words, but we speak just about most used. I'm not sure that I can translate all these words in English because most of these words don't have any meaning, and if you will just cancel these words from your sentences, from your speech, nothing will change. Вот, the word that I use very often. Вот, вот, or вот так вот, вот так вот, вот так вот. Типа того, как бы, короче говоря, это самое, ну, sometimes we can use all of them together, like, ну, короче говоря, ну, это самое. На самом деле, значит, то есть, по-любому. Прикинь. This word is kind of slang word, and you can say it only to your friend. It's very informal word. Смотри. Ага, or ага, like yeah, ага. Как-то так. Блин. Okay, write me in comments, guys, if you use these words or no, or you speak very, very high-level literature language. If you're interested in learning Russian, you can book a class with me. In description to this video, I give the links to my Telegram, Instagram, mail, where you can contact me and book Russian language class. Have a good day. See you soon.